just a bit so we can see the Santa face.
Yeah.
There we go. Ready? Set. Thank you, Lucy. That's from Papa.
Oh, yeah, you got puppy. This is for Henry.
Oh, is it? I thought it said to Lucy.
Nope, it's Henry.
Mama's mistake. It does say Henry. I'm sorry, Lucy.
I
Whoa, Henry. Holy moly.
Another car.
Ripping it out.
Mama's mad. Mommy's so sorry I had Lucy open that, buddy. So sorry, Lucy.
Oh, there's a picture in there too.
Oh my. Oh, look at that picture.
Lucy?
Henry and Papa's Volkswagen. Look at that.
Do you remember sitting in that car?
We'll put that in your new room.
Cute.
Isn't that darling?
Can you open this?
That is super
there's
cute.
some more batteries in here so I can walk.
Henry, you were so little in this picture.
How old was I?
3 or 2.5.